What girls find sexy about boys?
Their muscles, maybe.
The smart one, huh?
What's up?
So, welcome to the most the romantic show of all time, Street Flicks. So, as we all know, yesterday was the Valentine's Day, the 14th of February. So, every one of you, I hope you found your Valentine. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो बोलना चाहते थे पर बोल नहीं पाए. बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं कि बोल लिए, मान भी गई और हो भी गया. और बहुत सारे लोग तो ऐसे हैं जो बोल के केस भी खा गए. But what I'm trying to say is, all of you, either you achieved something or experienced something. So let's experience the hangover of Valentine's Day. Are you in with me? So come with me. I'm your dost and host, entertainment ka double dose, Duke Pose. Come on. So here I am with 4 beautiful ladies. So the first question is, what girls find sexy about guys?
Okay. First, of course, looks. But then the communication skills are very important.
Physique, height, tall, dark and handsome for me.
Attitude, personality matters.
Urban beards.
White and black kurta pajama they wear with that Tushan and that Ray-Ban hairstyle.
The way they behave with us. The way they treat us, rather.
About guys, their attitude, and that's sexy and nice jawline.
Their muscles, maybe.
Huh?
Their muscles, maybe.
Muscles?
I think the personality and the stubble.
Origin के नहीं है वो.
Then they're not sexy.
And anything else that excites you?
Good fragrance.
The smell does matter.
Yeah, it does.
The way they smell actually. No, not. Yeah, the way they smell. Good, nice, you know.
Their swag, their way of walking.
The way of walking. The smart one, huh?
Okay, same. It's physique and the way he talks like also matters a lot. How gentlemanly he is.
Dressing sense, their behavior towards us.
Way of speaking also matters.
Speaking also matters.
Yeah.
What do you think like girls must have?
They should be smart.
Okay.
At least they should be able to understand what you say.
Okay.
For instance, they should not be dumb. That's what.
I think so. Mainly in a woman, I would find intellectuality first rather than going for the looks. And she needs to know how to carry herself really well.
Definitely.
So the next question is from the Urban Dictionary challenge for you guys and you of course. What is love tap?
What is what?
Love tap.
Love tap. I have no idea.
Love tap.
Love tap क्या होता है? प्यार का
Mickey, हाँ, something like बकवास.
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
No idea.
Love tap.
Okay, so I can just, guess, right? I can say whatever I feel. So maybe the first like effort or trying to communicate, the first step.
Maybe it's like a click, so it's love tap, some sign maybe.
Love tap.
You've heard about love trap, but what is love tap?
Tap as in a tap.
No idea.
Huh?
Maybe a tap. So the love flowing from the heart like a tap.
Maybe the first tap which makes you fall in love or something like that.
Okay, the first tap.
Maybe.
Okay, in wrestling, you see that when you're losing, you just tap. So it might be in love. When you are being fucked up, just tap.
You just tap.
Just tap.
Surrendering oneself, something like that.
Okay, something like, that kick that you get by seeing someone for the first time.
देखा जो तुझे यार दिल में बजे गिटार kind of.
Maybe. You never know. Tap something lovingly. You're tapping your drum lovingly. Maybe that is love tap. I don't know.
Or maybe tabla.
Maybe tabla.
Overflowing of love, maybe. Seriously, it's like a tap full with love.
नल खोलो और प्यारी बहेगा सिर्फ.
बहने दो.
It sounds very bad.
That's stupid. Maybe if you tap someone.
When you tap a person in a lovingly manner.
प्यार से किसी को ऐसे करके थप्पड़ मार देगा तू.
Like you love her and just, I don't know.
She's so sweet. Yeah.
Love tap definition from our dictionary. The gentle nudge of a car behind and or in front of you that occurs to get your car parked.
I hope you all had fun, and if you really liked our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have anything to say, please drop your comments on the comment box. Until then, I'm Duke Pose. Allow me to go. Khuda Hafiz.
Hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time you upload a new video. Never miss to say what's up. Being humorous is the most attractive thing. So हंसते रहो और हंसाते रहो और हमारे वीडियो शेयर करते रहो. To watch and share our dating episode, click on the box on your left. And to know how to get a girl, click on the box on your right. And keep streaming. What's up?